Hi, I'm kayaking this morning in Cochin. The backwaters are amazing. The weather is great. There was a mild drizzle when I started out, but it's cleared up now and feeling awesome. Wanted to just discuss something about the last post I put up regarding the need for corporates to look at recruiting employees who probably don't have the right kind of certification or right kind of degree in their CV. I think it is misconstrued to imply that students don't need to focus on their education and don't need to care about whether they get the right certifications or get the right degree. That is not what I meant from the post. Studying and spending time learning is an integral part to self development and self growth. Whether you are doing it in your school or your college or your postgraduate or even in your free time, it's important that you give a lot of focus on continuous learning and continuous improvement. That's the only way to get better at what you get better at life in general. Heading towards this little mound of uh, water hyacinth. Need to quickly take a diversion. Coming back to what I was talking, so self learning and self education is extremely critical, if you ask me. If this aspect is not looked into at an early stage and continue to look into throughout your career, throughout your life, you will stagnate. The world is moving on, especially right now. The progress happening is at an astronomical pace, and what you learn today is not what's going to help you tomorrow. You need to be continuously learning every single day. So take what I said earlier with a pinch of salt. While yes, as a degree or a certificate is not the be all and end all of your career, it is still important that when you pursue something like that, you put in your heart and soul and try to be as successful as you possibly can. Figure out what it is that what you're really passionate about, and make sure that you keep working on that all the time. I am very clear that I want to keep learning. I want to keep improving my skill sets, and I feel that everybody who wants to get better at something, maybe just day-to-day living, needs to focus on this aspect of their lives, that is continuous learning. So I hope this takeaway adds some value to you, and I hope you get the opportunity to do what I do once in a while, and that is get out there, think about your life, contemplate on your thoughts, and enjoy the backwaters if you're in Kerala.